It's nice out today. What's up, guys? It's Stu TV dropping another video for you. And in today's video, I actually recorded most of this video a couple days ago, but it's kind of weird how it turned out. So I'm just gonna play a couple clips from them. I don't really like it that much. And what's up, guys? It's Stu TV dropping another video for you. And in today's video, I don't really know what we're doing because every time I video, something changes, and I don't even know what to title the fucking video because it's just weird shit. But there is a slight issue that is occurring with the new motor, and it's not that it's not running right. It's that when you rev it or do a pull or shift, it sways. God damn! Or when you start it, it starts up like shit. Also, I'm gonna need some coolant, so yeah, let's not talk about it. Now, the motor swaying back and forth, I think that is a common issue on these. It's called the dog bone. They actually have a mod for it that stiffens it up. It makes the idle and everything super stiff. But the problem with this is it's too loose. So I'm hoping that's the issue. And if it's not the issue, I gotta go back to the mechanic. And I know you guys are wondering, when's Stu gonna mod it? When's he gonna add parts and everything? Well, there is an intake sitting over there that I already had on the car, but it didn't work because, it blew up. And when I tell you that I was this close from ordering everything to go full bolt-on on this last night, well, I couldn't because the dog bone thing started happening. So as much as I don't want to work on my 2020 brand new fucking car, let's get it up on the stands and see what the hell's wrong. I wasn't sure, but my nightmare happened. I don't even own any Torx bits, and obviously I have to get the skid plate off. Didn't think about it, so now I gotta go get Torx bit. All right, so we went out, we got Torx bits, we got coolant, we got oil. So it's time to do an oil change. I'm not gonna replace the filter because, the motor has 1,000 miles on it. Yeah, I don't know why I did that. I should have replaced the filter. It should be fine. All right, so we got the car on jack stands right now. This thing is unacceptably huge. Like, the suspension drops so low. This thing's jacked up with the shit, but like, look, I could literally, that's not okay. We need to get low. We need bags or something. So my first objective is to take off what is ever left of the skid plate so I can access the dog bone. I completely forgot that I purchased this and never used it. Look how brand new this shit is. All right, so quite clearly I did an oil change and I checked out the dog bone, and it looks like part of it is a little messed up, so I ordered one. If you guys aren't familiar what a dog bone is, it's this. It bolts up to the transmission and then into the subframe, and it helps stability of the motor. And I think it helps the stability forward and backwards because that's the issue I'm having. And I see once my brother started the car, I would see that this would shake, and I was wondering where it was from, but I don't know if you guys can see this very well. But the rubber mounting in here is not doing so hot. Down here, it's not too bad, but up there, it needs replaced for sure. Here's a little better view of it. As you can see, that is all tearing, and that is not good. I'm not sure how it happened, but whatever, shit happens. It's just rubber, and that costed like 70 bucks, so that's not that big of a deal. Also, I did an oil change, and I like the style of this drain plug. You kind of just twist it, and it'll pop out, and then it kind of slowly draws all the oil out. On the Subaru, it would literally launch it like 10 feet. All right, so we definitely know the motor's broken in. We have an oil change. The only issue right now with the car is the dog bone. So I'm gonna throw the intake back on. I'm still not gonna beat on the car, but I'm also going to be ordering everything to go full bolt on. No, I'm not. We're gonna wait, there's an issue. I'm getting the catless downpipe from ARM. I'm getting charge pipes from ARM, and they're sending me a free turbo inlet because we're Stu TV. And y'all get 10% off of everything on the website with STUTV10. You get 10% off of all the car parts on that shit. Also, if you guys didn't know, we dropped these Stu TV hats. Link in description. Use code STUTV for 10% off of that on everything on the website. We got more shit dropping soon. I'm going to give you a little hint. Cambered. That's the merch we're dropping. I'm not going to tell you too much because it's secret, but we're dropping that shit. So go cop everything else while it's still there. And I apologize to you guys. This video is not crazy like all the last ones have been. We're just doing a little bit of maintenance. We're going to wait till the car cools down a little bit and throw some coolant in there because it's a little too low for where it should be. So if you guys are still repping the Subi gang, I have mad Subi parts, so hit me up and they could be yours. And also, as for the bumper, I did call Barber Ford, the place that's supposed to be replacing the bumper for me, and they still haven't got back to me. So I'm gonna call them again here shortly and see what they have to say, because I need that fixed, especially before summer starts. All right, making that clip made me call them again, and they're making me wait until May to get it done. If you don't know the date, it's March, and they told me it was going to be done in March. So I'm quite perturbed. See if I can get someone else to do it. Oh, I might just do it myself. I might just spend the money and do it myself, because this is so annoying. But that shit is so expensive. It's like $600 for an RS3 bumper, and it's like even more. It's like $1,200 for an unpainted A3 bumper. I don't know what to do. I still cannot get over the difference between these two. This is the ARM intake. I call it the whale cock because that shit is crazy. And if you didn't know, my car is named Moby because it has a huge whale dick and it's gray. All right, I got everything done. The intake is on. We're about to start this bad bitch up. Holy shit, dog. But today we're gonna be installing my dog bone insert into the car because it's shaking like crazy and all that shit. And I just got back from work last night, so we did that. Now don't worry, I actually got a custom tune. It's from EQT, one of the most reliable tuners out there, so don't worry, it's not gonna blow up. Or so we think. So on the cob, it's reading a lot of knock. If you don't know what fine knock is, it's basically your knock sensors inside of your motor picking up small frequencies of engine rattles or shit. But it picks up every rattle, not just rod knock. It picks up everything, which is kind of ironic because I'm not having any issues with the motor, but I am having issues with the dog bone insert. That's why we need to install this today, because it shakes my car like crazy and I think it reads a lot of knock. This install should be really easy. It's just your run-of-the-mill universal MQB dog bone insert or subframe insert. All it does is stiffen up the transmission and the engine. All right, we're gonna go install it right here, but we gotta bring the car over here because, you know, my dad parked like a douche. All right, so I jacked up the side that it's closest on, and I'm gonna unscrew it real quick, put that piece in, tighten it back up, and then we're done. Now my dad sprayed water everywhere. Now I have to get soaked because I'm not moving the car again. Too lazy. This wasn't a tutorial, so I didn't show you very much, but you can see it right there. All right, this is the first startup with the dog bone mount insert installed. It's firm, but it doesn't rattle like before. It would rattle like crazy before, and it would idle like absolute dog shit, which it's not doing right now. Also, I think I'm gonna try to customize a little phone mount holder because the circle vents are no good for holding anything. All right, we're at running temperature, and we're gonna see if the values stay low and see if it was the dog bone's fault that it was reading such high knock. All right, guys, bear with me. I'm gonna try to record this as well as I can, but we're just gonna do a little pull. All right, the Cobb anxiety port read -188 and 2 cylinders. That is acceptable. That is kind of actually where you want it. And I was getting last night before I installed this part, that was -4.7, which is borderline blowing your shit up. So that is better seeing that there instead of this. All right, I stand corrected. I ran a -3.0, but if it doesn't run over 3, we should be all right, because that's what all the forums say, that's what all the Audi people say. If it doesn't run over 3s, it's fine. All right, so I cleared out the 3.0 rod knock, and then I went back onto the gauges, and I tried to log it, and I was gonna send that log to EQT, but I couldn't get it to go over anywhere over 2 anymore. It just reads negative 1.88, which I'm happy with. If it wants to stay like that for the rest of the time, that's fine. I'll live with that. But negative 3 scares me, and I could not get it to do it again. So I don't even want to keep trying, because obviously I don't want to beat the hell out of the car for no reason. But yeah, I guess we're good. I know this video was whack beyond belief and really boring, probably really short, but then again, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for sticking with me. But anyways, peace out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you follow my TikTok, Instagram, subscribe, go in my description, buy some merch. I don't even know. I'm tired. Peace out, guys. Have a good day.